Autodesk Audit. So when you see this video, you're probably interested in Autodesk Audit, and the likelihood is that you have received an audit notification letter by Autodesk, and now you're wondering what to do. So let me run you through just 4 simple things that I think you should take care of. So in the beginning, it is important to find, together with Autodesk, the reason why are you actually audited. So ask the auditor, why do you audit me? Chances are that the auditor will say, look, we have seen traffic, we've seen downloads from your IP, from your account, and that doesn't match your license estate. So we believe that you're overusing or that you're using software that you have not licensed with us. Alternatively, they say this is just a normal audit. All our customers get audited every 4 years. That's our ambition to do. So this time it's you. So you need to know why. Either way, you need to know what the contractual basis is of this audit request by Autodesk. So you need to find together with Autodesk the contract version that you have agreed upon with Autodesk. Autodesk needs to provide that to you because they will want to reference the audit clause that is incorporated in this agreement. So then you have a basis once you've found that. It's not easy for Autodesk to find that contract. So you're going to have to wait until they can provide that. So that's one thing. The next thing is you need to make sure that your corporate secrets and also your individual privacy data protection requirements are obeyed. So you need to sign an NDA. The NDA that Autodesk on request provides you with is typically not sufficient. So I would strongly advise to agree with them on an individual NDA that actually fulfills your requirements, that fulfills your needs of data protection. That is important. Next thing that should be done right from the beginning is close the ranks. So you need to have everybody on board. All the engineers that are working with the software, your technicians that are maintaining the installations, and your license management, if you have one, the person who's in charge of licensing, your CIO, the CEO, you need to close the ranks. And everybody has to be on board because Autodesk is typically approaching more than one person. So everybody needs to know we are under audit, and the only person Autodesk speaks to is the SPOC that you name, the single point of contact. If that's you, that's great. Then you need to communicate that to Autodesk and inside your own organization that no one speaks to Autodesk except you, and Autodesk needs to know that they are not allowed to speak to anyone except you. If you do not do that, you're not in charge anymore. You have no idea what information, what data is departing from your organization. And you can't manage this audit appropriately anymore. If you do need help during this process, give us a call. We're here to help. We're happy to help, and we've done it many times. And our clients typically, well, actually never pay any money to Autodesk within the course of an audit. So give us a call if you feel you need help. We're happy to help. If you like this content and it's useful for you, then please give me a like. I'd be very happy for that. Please subscribe to our channel or go to our website, prolicense.com, and sign up to our newsletter. If you need help immediately, we can help you. Just send me an email or give me a call. I'm always available. Bye.